Hello friends, welcome back to Aarogya Foods. Today let's see how to prepare Kalakand Payasam. This is a simple and delicious traditional Indian dessert made with milk and rock sugar. The milk is gently simmered until creamy and the rock sugar adds a mild pleasant sweetness. It is often flavored with cardamom and nuts, making is a perfect festival special occasions. To make this, first take 1 cup of raw rice, rinse it for 2-3 times and soak for at least 10 minutes, and in a pan add 4 cup of water, bring it to boil. Use same cup for the measurement for all the ingredients. When water starts boiling, add the soaked rice. Adjust the flame medium to low and cook the rice completely. Stir occasionally and cook well. If you want, you can close the lid, it cooks very fast. Once the rice is completely cooked, take the same measurement cup and add 4 cup of milk to balance the heat. Now keep the flame completely low and cook well until rice absorbs the milk and makes a creamy texture. This dish you can use it for any prasadam and any occasional time if you crave something sweet. Very healthy and easy to make and delicious in taste as well. Now milk is absorbed. Now add 1 cup of Kalakand. For the moderate sweet I have added 1 cup. If you want, you can increase of extra half cup. Now once everything is dissolved completely, in another pan take half cup of ghee. To this add nuts of your choice. I have added chopped badam and cashew. Saute this until golden color, then add it to the kheer. Mix everything to well combine into the payasam. Finally, for extra flavor, add half teaspoon of elaichi powder and mix it well. Now see, the texture is so creamy and so delicious. Whenever you are cooking with the stove, cook with the love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Until bye bye.